Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and I am back with a new amazing crypto project, a token innovation system. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and keep supporting. Let's get back to our video. The website we are going to review today is the Sensex.com. It is the house of blockchain innovation. Sensex is designed to build advanced and user-friendly dApps with ultra-secure programming. First of all, let's have a look on their token, some of their token information. The symbol is CNX and the decimals are 9. Blockchain type is BEP20, which is pretty cool. You can also have a look on the audit report by clicking on this. Bitrise is now Bitget and we are redirecting to Bitget. Now let's talk about Sensex. Sensex was designed to solve two big issues in crypto today, the crypto security problem and the user experience problem. Sensex Exchange. The Sensex Exchange is a major feature and use case for Sensex token and its ecosystem of apps. Our exchange enables users to directly trade one coin or token to another, from one chain to another, BTC, TRX or Ethereum, with high security. The main focus of this project is security and reliability that they provide to their users, and also the full privacy and unrivaled speed. For after that, the Sentex staking allows stakers to earn up to 100% profits as APY from the revenue of Sentex products. Sentex token holders can simply stake the tokens and start earning. Sensex staking options will allow you to stake Sensex token with multiple staking pools with rewards in multiple different coins on BSC. Also, the Sensex Lab is the new home for blockchain innovation, which collects 3% fees from each transaction of Sensex token, which will be used for Sensex Labs to build unlimited products for Sensex. They have also launched the Sensex Exchange app, also which is available on Android and iOS, which have low fees and is pretty secure and safe. Also, they provide fast transactions for their users. Furthermore, in Samsung Lab, it is the new home for blockchain innovation. They have decentralized apps, decentralized applications which are built on totally blockchain technology. Furthermore, the exchanges they provide are building crypto safe trading platforms. Also, the programs provide the best staking programs to their users. They have been building a large user base for their products also. Let's have a look on their tokenomics. The 4% marketing fees, which are deducted on every transaction, which will be used for advertising and promotions of the Sensex token. Furthermore, the development fee they have uh, predicted that 3% fees per transaction which will be used to build unlimited products in their lab, 3% fees per transaction which will be used to buy back and burn tokens. Let's have a look on their roadmap. They started in October of 2021, which included the market research R&D, confirming the feasibility of the project, validating business model, establishing 5-year plan and vision, creating marketing strategies, website and smart contract development, opening quarterly launch, private pre-sale. In January 2022, they made the YouTube channel, branding, pre-launch marketing campaign, awareness and PR campaign, public launch on campaign, listings on major marketing websites, and furthermore. In April 22, they have a plan to open a website V2 version which partnerships with crypto project exchange listing tier 2 and also Science Exchange Android version beta release. Science Exchange iOS version on for iPhone users also. Research on new products and publishing the 2023 roadmap. If you want to contact them, you can directly contact them by this support@sensex.com. You can also leave them a message here. If you want to keep up to date with this project, this amazing crypto project, you can follow them on Twitter or you can join their telegrams. For any frequently asked question, you can see some questions answered here, and you can also ask them questions on their news on their contacts also. Furthermore, in the newsletter, you can sign up their newsletter for keeping up to date with Sandsex.